to sky, love reflected in your eye. The world slows down, the air turns mild, your touch so warm, so undefiled. The radio hums a gentle chord, each note a prayer, each sound adored. You take my hand, the silence sighs as sunlight fades where beauty lies. The organ hums its mellow glow, the night begins its tender show. Golden hour, promise stays through the dust, through all our days. Every dream, every vow still belongs to here and now. Soft shadows fall across your face like rhythm wrapped in velvet grace. The saxophone begins to weep and stirs the love we always keep. Through amber tones the heart believes what fades will bloom in autumn leaves. The record spins, the light turns low, but love's refrain will always glow. Golden hour, promise true, the sun may set, but not on you. Through every chord your warmth remains like gentle rain through window panes. Golden hour, stay a while, your light still wears his loving smile. Through time's embrace, through skies that gleam, you are the glow within my under streetlight, silver gleam, love drifts softly through a dream. Every sigh, a quiet tune, floating slow beneath the moon. Velvet night and whisper rain, your touch dissolves my old refrain. A gentle waltz, a smoky bar, your eyes outshine the evening star. The trumpet weeps, the bass line sways. We dance through all our yesterdays. Moonlit teardrop avenue, where every note still sings of you. Our shadows blend, our hearts align, lost in love's old 1950s time. Curtains sway, the record hums, sweet perfume on lips that numbs. Your laughter's glow, a spark divine. The world slows down. You're mine, you're mine. Through the smoke and soft cafe light, you held my hand. steps fall in line. Old souls meet where hearts entwine. Under the glow of love's debut, I'll dream forever of you. Twilight hummed a golden tune. The city sighs beneath the moon. I trace your name on fogged up glass and pray this feeling never pass. Your shadow dances through the room like perfume caught in fading bloom. The record spins its gentle plea, a love song lost in memory. Soft brass whispers through the haze, love's refrain from better days. Twilight vinyl dreams remain. Every groove repeats your name. In the hush of midnight's call, I still hear you through it all. Window light through amber wine, your laugh still echoes down the line. The saxophone begins to cry. I close my eyes and time slips by. Through the static, through the glow, your voice returns so sweet, so slow. Every chord a touch, a kiss, fading soft into the mist. Twilight vinyl dreams of you. In every note I find what's true. The night may end, but not this sound, where love and longing both are found. Spin again, my twilight friend. Let this melody never end. Under stars our souls still gleam, forever bound in a vinyl dream. Candlelight upon the wall, flickers soft where shadows fall. The air is warm, the The night begins where love begins. I hear your laugh through smoky haze, like jazz that drifts through golden days. Each note a memory's refrain, each tear a spark of love and pain. The organ hums, the world stands still. I feel your heart, I always will. Candlelight echoes through the years, soft as dreams, sweet as tears. Your name still hums through old guitar, reminding me of who we are. Oh, clock ticks the time away, but your tune's here, it loves to stay. The saxophone begins to cry and pulls my soul into the sky. The record hums our secret song. I've loved you silent, loved you long. Each chorus glows, each moment stays, like golden smoke in twilight haze. Candlelight echoes soft and slow, through every chord your spirit flows. No matter where the daylight goes, love's old flame forever glows. So let it play our melody through every dusk eternally. Candlelight fades, but hearts still know the echo of your soul's warm glow. Midnight lays across the floor, soft perfume and dreams once more. The record hums our secret rhyme, two hearts still cold in 1969. Your jacket rests upon the chair, the scent of smoke still lingers there. The lights grow dim, the clock stands still, and every chord recalls your will. Saxophone whispers low and blue. Every tone still sounds like you. Midnight lace, memories stay where time forgot to fade away. Through velvet tones and silver cries, love still lives where silence lies. Your laughter burns like candles flame, fading soft but never tame. I close my eyes, the night feels near, and every note brings you back here. Old cafe walls, the air still warm. Your rhythm hums through every storm. Through every line I find my grace, lost again in your embrace. Midnight lace, memories flow through every song. I let you go. Still the vinyl softly plays our love's refrain through endless days. Midnight lace and golden hue, my soul still drifts in search of you. In every hum, in every key, you live inside this melody.
Amber leaves outside the pane, falling slow like old refrain. Steam and jazz fill up the air, and I still feel your presence there. Your laughter warmed this little place. Each word you spoke a soft embrace. Now only echoes hum along to faded love in half-sung song. The saxophone begins to sigh as twilight hums its last goodbye. Autumn cafe shadows play through every dust, they drift away. Your voice still stirs the mellow air. I close my eyes, you're everywhere. Coffee stains and midnight jazz, photographs of what once was. The band still plays that blues refrain, and I still call your name again. The candle flickers whispers, a rhythm slows. Your memory in the trumpet glows. I hum your tune, I sip the night, and let your ghost in golden light. Shadows stay, the morning steals the blues away. Each note, each tear, each slow caress still wraps me in your tenderness. Autumn wind, take care of him. Let your light not fade too dim in this cafe's gentle gleam. He lives forever in my dream. Sapphire night on silver ground, your voice the sweetest sound. The stars lean close, the rhythm slow, and every breeze begins to glow. Your laughter hums through smoky air, a tender song beyond compare. Each look you give a subtle flame. The world dissolves when you say my name. Soft sax cries, the bass line deep. The music wakes what hearts still keep. Sapphire night, our hearts entwine, lost in rhythm, lost in time. Every sigh, each whispered plea still holds the light you gave to me. The candle burns its final gleam. We drift within a blue tint dream. The trumpet weeps, the organ hums, and love's refrains forever strums. The city sleeps, the hour is late, but melody can't hesitate. Each note a step, each breath divine. In sapphire night, your soul meets mine. Sapphire night, don't fade away. Hold this warmth till break of day. In your eyes, the truth I see, love's eternal. symphony. So let the dawn come soft and slow. Its light will find the love we know. The sapphire night still softly plays in every heart where memory stays.
Silver dusk falls on the bay. Whispers chase the night away. The gramophone begins to play a song of love that chose to stay. Your coat still hangs beside the door. Your echo hums across the floor. Each sigh reminds me where you've been. A ghost in every violin. The bass line hums, the lights grow low, the rhythm sways where memories flow. Silver dust serenade, hearts in shadows gently fade. Through the hush I call your name. In every note I feel the same. A sip of wine, a record spin. The warmth returns, it draws me in. Your laughter flickers faint but near. I close my eyes, you're here, you're here. The trumpet weeps, the night sighs back. Golden tones on velvet black. Through every chord your soul is seen. In silver dusk and in between. Silver dust serenade, every tear the night has made. Still I dance, still I dream, to love's old song in tender gleam. Let it play through rain and pain. Let it whisper soft again. Silver dusk won't fade away. Your serenade still lights my day. Whisper glow in the amber light. Your eyes met mine, the world felt right. The record spins, the shadows sigh. As love begins and night drifts by. Curtain sway, the room is still. Your voice is song I can unfeel. Each word you spoke a silver flame that burns my heart when you say my name. The trumpet breeze, the bass line sways. We move slow through golden haze. Whisper glow, don't fade away. Keep this warmth till break of day. In your arms I'm soft, I'm new. Every life belongs to you. Cigarette smoke curls in air. Our love still lingers everywhere. The jukebox hums its quiet tune, while I still dance beneath the moon. Every sound a sweet caress. In this calm our souls confess. Through every note our hearts align. A moment lost beyond all time. Whisper glow, stay close, stay true. My heart still beats the blues for you. Even when the night is gone, our love keeps playing on and on. Whisper